Hey, my name is Danny, and I am a student at IDEO. My freshman year of Atlantic City High School, it was pretty boring. Just walked straight to class. I didn't really get into any trouble in school, but outside of school, it was it was pretty fun. But I didn't really like the whole high school thing overall, because it was more like it was taking a toll on me. So I pretty much thought like high school was over for me. But I had moved in with my aunt, and my aunt is by the books. I was gonna go to college regardless. I always wanted to go to college. It wasn't nothing I didn't want to do. But she kind of helped me get into this program, and my cousin, she's a teacher in this program, so we kind of came into this program together, and she really helped me out a lot. I really appreciate her.